Guys, so nobody sent me work, but I decided to look for work where there is no work. Instead of me to put my hair in a puff, I said let me do a sleek hairstyle. My type 4 hair has shrinked and I needed to stretch my hair. I used the African trendy method because it works really well for me and gives elongation instead of the banding method or braiding method of stretching hair. So this is what it looks like. It's now manageable compared to before. So for people with very long hair like myself, we need extension to help our life, and that's why I'm using this really nice hair from Elfin, and this is 20 inches Brazilian Kinky straight hair, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description box below. And make sure you use my code to get 10% discount on your order. So I decided to do a zigzag part. I wanted to do a side part, but there is no way the two hands will meet. It can never meet, so I had to do a middle zigzag. When I was filming this clip, I didn't know where it was going to lead to, but I was just trusting the process. So I decided to work in 2 sections. Some people work in 5, 6 sections, like they had gel to one section, they pack it, another gel to another section, they pack it. Some people work in about 10 sections, but me, I don't have that time. And also I don't want to be applying too much gel on my hair because I have sensitive scalp. Any small thing like this, my scalp is already itching me. I don't have the time for that. So I decided to just work in 2 sections, and I applied just a little gel for the first section, and I'm trying to apply the gel and also to spread it. I'm not spreading it deep, just on the surface, as you guys can see. So I use the brush to help me out in spreading the whole thing, and also trying to force the hair to just go all the way to the back. That's the problem with people with short hair like ours. And one hair is not trying to go to the back, so I'm just forcing the way. I'm forcing it to the back, and as you guys can see, I've tried my best. If this is not your best wool, now you start this is my hair. So I decided to use baby wool to pack my hair. Some people use rubber band, but I do not like using rubber band because I used to end up with headaches, and I used to be very uncomfortable with rubber band. So I just decided to use baby wool. It works really well for me. Start packing the first section, as you guys can see. Then I'm going to go in with gel to work on the last section, and at this point I'm adding plenty gel, not too much, but it should just give it that fake sleek. When it comes to getting the perfect sleek hairstyle, there are 2 major factors. The first thing is the number of sections that you're working in, and the second thing is the amount of gel that you use. If you work in about 5 sections and you applied plenty gel on each section, trust me, even if you have stubborn fussy hair, your hair is going to be very, very flat, very flat. Despite the fact that I worked in just 2 sections and I used just little gel, guys, my hair still looks really cool. At the end of the video, you guys will understand what I'm trying to say. You guys will not believe the fact that I used just little gel. So this is me trying to secure the last section, because I don't want a situation whereby I will look for somebody's trouble and they will pull out my hair and everything will scatter. So I'm adding more gel to top the hair, because I didn't use plenty gel when I started. When the foundation is not strong, at least the building material should be strong. Using the brush to just push the gel down, to go down small. This is me braiding my hair at the end, because I have to secure the weave on my hair. So the best way to do that is just to braid the remaining hair. Let me just say leftover hair, if there's something like that, because I only know of leftover rice. I was like, let me even try this baby hair that people used to do all the time. Well, this is me trying it. I did the first time. I was like, this thing is doing, hey, thank God though. I just continued. I was like, wow, let me go to the other side. When I started the first one like this, I was like, what is it? This thing is not doing, but I shall continue. All hope is not lost. So I finished everything. I was like, oh my God, it's giving. I used a satin scarf to tie it so that it will, let me just say, to lay it down while it's actually getting dry. It's going to give it that effect too. It is time for me to fix the extension, and I'm using needle and thread to join the two bundles together because I got two bundles of the 20 inches Brazilian kinky straight. Start joining the two bundles together. I use the needle and thread to secure the extension to my hair. I'm only using it at the starting point. I had to cut it off, then wrap the hair. As I was wrapping the hair around the braided ends of my hair, I made sure that I tightened it because you don't want a situation whereby it will be loose when you're done. I made sure that as I'm actually like progressing, going upward, tightening it and not loose. So I was supposed to like wait for my hair to dry before attaching the extension to my hair, but I couldn't wait, so I had to just attach the extension while my hair is getting dry. So when I got to this point, I realized that I need to wait for my hair to dry, so I used the blow dryer to fasten the process. And guys, it's not so bad. So I continued with the rest of the wrapping, and I'm already at the end point. So at that end point, I left some extension to cover the track so that people will not see it, they will not know that it's not my hair, it is extension. So I had to use the extension to cover the tracks of the hair. So after doing that, I was already feeling myself. I was feeling the hair. So I was like, let me change clothes and put small makeup on. And guys, oh my god. So I decided to show you guys the length. You guys, look at it, is giving, it's giving. So this is actually like a bonus clip to show you guys different ways you can style this ponytail. This is actually the first style, the braided ponytail. I just braided it. The second one is the braided bun. I decided to put the braided ponytail into a bun, securing it with rubber bands. The third one is actually a messy bun. You guys can see that it's actually messy, really messy. So another one is the first clip, guys. This is my favorite style. I love it. So I used a bobby pin to like create a kind of false ponytail, and I used claw clip to just clip it in. And guys, loving it is an understatement. I love this hair, like guys, I love it so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you love this hair and you want to get it, just click on the link in my description box and it's going to redirect you to where you can get it. And make sure you use my code to be able to get 10% discount on your purchase. Thank you so much, guys, for watching once again. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.